In this video we're going to be going over the Tools tab in Video Marketing Spy. So we'll be adding little tools to this that we think could be handy to people. At the moment we've just got two in the toolbox. The first one is Resize Video, so we'll go over that now. This can be handy if you want to upload a video in different, resolution to YouTube or whatever, or if you just fancy resizing a video anyway. It's really easy to use. You click here to select your source file. You can either click here and you've got a list of preset sizes that you can resize to, or if you want you can click custom and then you can put your custom width and your custom height in pixels there. So it'd be like 1080 by 1920 or something, and then all you do then is once you've done that you just hit resize video and then that'll go away and it'll resize your video. And you watch the status bar there and you'll see exactly when it's done. It's really a simple tool, it's really easy tool. Now the next one we've got the video downloader. Now this is handy for if you want to back up videos on your own channel, if you want to download Creative Commons videos, or you want to download videos that you've got permission to use. We don't condone downloading any videos that don't have permission or aren't licensed to you, or any other videos that's basically you shouldn't be downloading unless you've got permission. Don't do it. So now we're over that. You can put in your video, as it says there, one per line. So you put the whole thing in, including your video ID at the end, one per line, and then you basically click I agree I have permission to download the videos. Download video. So once you click that, then we're going to do, just to make sure that you do agree, then you can click here to select your download folder, and as you can see at the moment that's disabled. We can't download anything. That's because we haven't set a download folder. But once you've set the download folder, then this button will enable, and it will enable you to download the videos. That's going to go away, and at the bottom you'll see the status messages about what it's downloading, which video ID it's downloading at the time, and it's going to go and save the videos to your selected folder. So that's the tools menu. Thanks for watching the video. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to either drop us a line in the Facebook group. I'm sure one of our members in there may be able to help, or if not and you need official support, contact us at www.client-area.biz. Thanks again for watching.